Your Google AdSense Publisher ID is a unique identifier that's essential for managing your AdSense account and integrating with other Google services. Every AdSense account receives exactly one Publisher ID, which serves as your account's digital fingerprint in Google's advertising ecosystem. Here's what your Publisher ID looks like in your actual AdSense account. You can see it clearly displayed in the account information section. Your Publisher ID is crucial for connecting your AdSense account with other Google services like Google Analytics, Google Ad Manager, and YouTube for enhanced reporting and monetization. For example, when linking your AdSense account with Google Analytics, your Publisher ID ensures proper data attribution and comprehensive performance tracking across platforms. Your Publisher ID is sensitive information that should be kept secure. Never share it publicly or with unauthorized third parties to protect your account from potential security risks. Understanding your Publisher ID is the foundation for effective AdSense account management. It's your unique identifier that enables seamless integration with Google's advertising ecosystem while requiring careful security practices. Finding your Google AdSense Publisher ID in 2025 is straightforward thanks to Google's improved dashboard interface. There are several reliable methods to locate and copy your Publisher ID. The primary method is through your AdSense dashboard. First, sign in to your AdSense account at www.adsense.com. You'll see the main dashboard with your earnings and performance metrics. Next, navigate to the Account section, then select Account Information. You can find this in the Settings menu on the left side of your dashboard. In the Account Information page, your Publisher ID is prominently displayed. It's typically located in the top section and clearly labeled as Publisher ID with the format pub followed by 16 digits. Google has added a convenient copy icon next to the Publisher ID. Simply click this icon to copy your ID to the clipboard, making it easy to paste wherever you need it. There are also alternative methods to find your Publisher ID. You can locate it within your website's ad code, where it appears as data-add-client equals CA-publish, followed by your 16-digit ID. You can also find your Publisher ID in the Payments section under Settings, then Payee Profile. Additionally, mobile app users can access it through the Account tab, then Account Details. Google's 2025 interface improvements have made finding your Publisher ID more intuitive than ever. The enhanced dashboard layout and mobile experience ensure you can quickly access your ID whenever needed.